This is the Avertech channel with you, and today we're going to show the complete setup process of our VR50 welding rotator, and we're going to show the process of welding a workpiece on this welding rotator. Let's go. Friends, we are in the business of manufacturing any kind of screw products. In this case, we now have a screw billet installed on the welding rotator. I also want to tell you about the technical specifications. Here on this faceplate can be installed any workpiece with a diameter of up to 450 millimeters. In this case, we have a workpiece with a diameter of 89 millimeters. And it turns out in the process we have the following welder with the help of this remote control can adjust the speed of rotation, as well as the direction of rotation either in reverse, that is, to the left or to the right. That is, as it suits him. The rotation frequency, i.e. speed, can be adjusted as he likes. That is, for example, the rotation is set here at 37% of the maximum. Try to cook something, and accordingly realized whether it is convenient for him to cook it or not. So, friends, look, we have such an interesting remote control, with the help of which, in principle, all the control takes place. It turns out, left rotation, right rotation, reverse, and the welder already, it turns out, adjusts for himself, as it is better to lay the weld. In what direction? It turns out, in this case, we have a screw. In what direction we move here? He can adjust the rotation speed for you with these buttons. Basically, everything is intuitive, everything is clear. And now let's see how our specialist, our welder, will put the choss on this structure. Seen the process of work of our welding rotator, convinced that there is nothing complicated. But if there is nothing complicated, it does not mean that you do not need this rotator, because you can see for yourself that with it you can evenly and qualitatively insert welding seams. The welder does not have to somehow get under it, canting the workpiece. Everything happens practically from one position. The welder locks onto the chin, adjusted the desired speed, and it turns out, just make an arc. Welding turns out smooth, high quality, and accordingly less human factor will take out this equipment. So friends, at the link in the description will be our welding rotator, where you can learn more details, or here will be our contact information. You can send us a request to email or call. And we will offer you the most delicious prices in the market for this welding rotator. I ask you to subscribe to this channel, because here we tell you about our unique equipment. Thanks for your attention, friends, and see you in the next videos.